Big J? That's your name? All right. Nice. Oh, I like that box. Did you do it or who built it?
Will, Master Will.
Master Will?
Yeah, all this style, yeah.
Okay, so you're on Team Skar.
Yeah.
All right. Big J? That's your name? All right. Big J. That looks good. Do you know how big the box is?
Not offhand. I know it's tuned to 32 hertz, peaks at 34 hertz.
Okay.
And it's 6 ZVX D1s, 4 SK4500 V2 strap at 0.33 per.
0.33 per, so 0.6 drop into
Yes.
0.3. Okay. Have you metered it? No wall.
Meter it. She does really a musical build. She does 153.5 seals, 154.7 and port, all at like 32 hertz, 30 hertz.
Really? So right below Master Will,
Yeah.
right around his range.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome. I like that amp rack. Looks good.
Thank you.
Are you playing it? You letting it cool off?
No, it's fine.
Okay. What about your electrical?
Electrical, 2 Mechman 320s,
Okay.
and 1 JY80 amp hour.
Okay. That's it.
Hey, watch the pile of hella acid.
What about in your doors?
PRV Neos, 8s, and 4, 6.5 Neos Timpano.
All right. Nice. I like this. From Meadow, Georgia. Or where you?
I'm from Dublin.
Dublin, Georgia. All right.
Rolling up a stogie, niggas talking crazy, they can catch it like a goalie. Pussy ass.
Need some help?
They acting like they know me. Got a bad bitch in Toronto. She come down here when it's snowing. Chillin' up in Boca, chillin' with the locals. New exclusive J, they don't come out till October. And we don't do no bands while we fuck them on the sofa. Now she chillin' with the drinkers, but she really not a smoker. Different of the gang and we running shit.
Breaking everything, aren't you?
Yeah, man.
That's what being loud is.
You gonna play 20 hertz?
20 hertz.
28.
Okay, 20. I was about to say, oh my gosh, no, don't do The amps don't like it at certain frequencies where you're going below 1 ohm, isn't it? And it causes them to protect.
Well, On high frequencies.
High frequencies.
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't got the impedance rise to
Yes, sir.
make up for it.
I understand.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks for that demo, dude.
problem.
For a no wall, that's pretty good, man. 50s
Appreciate
plus on music. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
No problem.
So it was Big J, but what was your real name?
Jansen Hightower.
Justin.
Jansen Hightower.
Jansen Hightower.
There you go.
All right. And what vehicle?
2008 Yukon Denali.
Yukon Denali. All right. Thank you for the demo, man.
No problem.
We're good? Voltage was still doing pretty good.
Okay,
Yeah.
She take 14.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice to meet you. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.